كنا وجهنا هنا قرين كنا اللي جبات بجنات أما إيربورت كنا أما اللي بنقل كم أنت اللي تفني أما اللي كافي براين اللي برا بجنة أنت اللي تفني إنجل كم يا بس هذا فانجة يا هم أنا أنجل إحنا مون دانجل اللي أنا بيهو قالوا أنت كلامجل سلين نبان كمال رابر بداية Inumang kuni kana kama kana umar wala kama inumang kuna na rapo pamal berbada jere akan modal tini hat mala le uke lama grena to kuna namati toko hasa wa beka lama kon fisisu beka de je da kai so da tawai buje kami ni akan sihar kana kana
Galatoma ulfada yon nimra yada ikida tinin kabane asra golba
Wanto toko ya danna aku mau jalan semua cora denna mau coru lagi saya pun mau gari amar gari aero makina te mas makina olga gara tu dengan dia bukan ya bukan jalan kalau itu anak tuh sama dia di mau punai malena Oromo official dentro male and Oromo si oggi Oromo tu si fa enno ko da undando yona se ke di soda ke winje alkaiti din Oromo one minute kade si atina of to male you are si indemo
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen. Yes, isina है ना साहब हर को वाला लुसी मत आप कमेरा मैं यो तारीख से नूर देवती की हालत है इसा आरासो नम कुर्बान लेकिन ओके इसा ना सरखेरु जुबरे so yo microphone itigay su lesson na to ko badi microphone itigay sabi sari lem zira dewa jekti tarika kan de gefneti sagata kan tutti kufna मैं हाल तक ये फिल्म तो को उनका ना पा Berapa muftin istilah rasul? Berapa muftin? 85
June dulu.
Okay.
Oka kelas dengan master gome. Dulu apa ni simpen?
मैं हाले के सुनने वाला
अजायबात सुनने बोलता उनका उसका ना बोले नमनी करी मकीना बोलिया वाले तू तो हमें जा तुम बात वही यार मकीना वाले मकी वाले नहीं से बोलवाते नहीं तो नहीं जाना तो मकान लगे इसे बोलता अनम्बो ऊपर किया अब आते रही थी लगे बोला मैं क्या करा सुधारती नहीं पता नहीं akkati deeme waa takka hin jiru. Waan waa takka hin jiru. Akkas na geggeessee fuula bareedaan ammaan siila qabee ammoo aaree qaban gattannee mana kanaan qabee ammas qofa gochuun ammoo maallaqa namni jechuudha. Diinaan nageessi hin jiru. Ammas kun ammaan si geessi jiru. Sireen nageessi. Makiinaa keenyasuuti kakkanaatti kana. Uumaa dhibba sadii baburii gudde. Makiinaa kan bitanne. Makiinaan xiyya gaammanumaa jaalatamtuu taatanii manni. Dullatti hidhajee nama dhufaaf. Transportation nama dhufaaf hiikanyuu ture. Makiinaan xiyya akkasitti Abdullaa Sheefaanlee paartii nu geessi. Abdallah Lehamaa Moodeti akkasii makiinummaan paartii nu geessite akkasitti kana dabarsine waan amma gaawwan isa ijaarsu bakka namicha maallaqa sibiin naqatee naannoo kudha san ammaan bare waan inni naannoo dhagee dhiyooma kana osoo hin turin osoo waan tokko juusi waan kana cufa baankiitu qabaa naan jedha waan kana ammoo akkamiin jedha akkamiin waan jechuu namni akkamitti baankii qabu mataa qabaatanii waan takki gooteetuma jedha uffattee baankii dheektaa amma naa galte yaa makiinaatti waan oloote ta'uu gaafate silaa kota kitu boleh lagi. Wakina pujar kade jadi akasi tujuh sana agar tewar itu itu pasti. Kalau tuh makan mana?
Kalau semua kata saya kan hanya aserti bola ba? Ikut. Okay, ayo. Well, pokoknya tarik kesan akka kayaknya rabe kuti sampuli nama lecak itu. Akhirnya nilai nama jawab. Seribu kafin sini kau. Gafal jurut ufkan sini. Hojile akam fa sena tu tani. Akasmat nilai hala information yohan settlement dia kana mal fa sini deh yohan dia sini.
Ya, bukawan namun dia tanah sari dia tadi mesti muhil.
Lo, teh seru. Tarik bukai seru.
Aku tahu ni.
Aye.
Anak sini tu unik ni. Namni jati wajib beom biru angkor raut tidak apa.
So, dia tayar gula seden awam kau betul ini itu.
Ramai mana? Jati ilmani wajib be. Nama maaf ni kat bisa pensau. Yo dokor bade anak ko. Kalau ni apa sih? Bagi jadi buat aku jadi apa usah gitu. Aku somali berita baju ni abi orang dia mana. Karena ni ada dia mana wang berat sama mana mungkin mana. Jadi kita di kita ada Yesus. Ini juga doa.
Let's do the Toma Ufada. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for my panel.
Newan berambar badu. Wan ambar badu siwar ay tuftani tiniye tankuni galatoma isiniye. Heddu galatoma. Tarik kesan to sigani tarik kesan amma kille hatolu isiniye na ek aanse tini moyu motuma Australia rabbina ganu maatas. Akana tunga iste kara no to tini tiniye akana rabbimo amaleti kahakenu. Alam kesan rabbi siyatisu موتم بيجنا ربعتيسو إتعابتيسو نولي ورالبيت ونواتاسو أنا ما يسميني رابعتهم.
Galatoma Alfada. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to call upon the chairperson of the Oromo community, Abdullah Umar, to introduce our next special guest.
Angka presidency ready tahu. Story mengikuti denya angka nabi cawiti. inshallah maybe guyyaa takka galgala biraatis galgala hoflaa qopheessineeti akka gaariitti istoorii isaanii kan akka gaariitti wanta irra nufinis chaansii kanneen akka eegagoon yaa rabbi jeetanaafuu harka raafnee akka gaariitti.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. Afternoon, evening. My name is Councillor Pradeep Tiwari, and I have the great honour of serving as the Mayor of the City of Melbourne. I'd just like to begin by acknowledging that we gather today on the traditional lands of the Kulin Nation, and I pay my respects to their elders, past, present and emerging, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples here today. I'd just like to warmly also acknowledge some distinguished guests and people here. Firstly, the President of the Oromo community in Victoria, Abdullah Omar. Thank you for the kind invitation and your tireless leadership. He's still busy working. A round of applause for him here. And we have Mohammed Modin, the Deputy Commissioner for the Victoria Multicultural Commission. Thank you. And there's many distinguished guests. I won't go through all their names, just the ones I know. Also, a warm welcome to Somali Community Leader Farah. Thank you for being here. And it's truly an honour to join you all here, marking 40 years since the arrival of the first Oromo refugees to Australia. While I couldn't understand what the panel was saying, I could hear the sentiment. So thank you to the panel for your insight. We'll wait for this announcement.
Attention please. I need to inform you that there are a lot of cars illegally parked and there are parking inspectors checking in today. So please, if your car is not legally parked, please make sure you move it, and also look at the timing for your car. Some are 2 hours, some are 4 hours. So again, please move your car if it's illegally parked. You can park in Victoria Street. You'll find parking there. Thank you.
Sorry, man. Warri makiinaa teessan akka malatti dhaabdan warri kaa inspektaraatu jira. Tanaafuu bakka mijaawaa bakka seeraan kaa'ame kabajaadhaan makiinaa cina dhaabaa isiniin jenna please. Galatooma.
That's some really good financial advice. Save money on a parking ticket with your cars.
We thought we've got a mayor here, unfortunately. This is a American mayor.
This is how we make money. I'll start again. It's truly an honour. So I'm especially proud that so many Oromo families have made Melbourne home, including in the city of Melbourne, where the Australian Oromo Community Association of Victoria has built strong roots. I'm really lucky to have you all. As a migrant myself, I understand the courage it takes to rebuild your life in a new land, and I know the importance of belonging, of being seen, supported and celebrated. That's why at Melbourne City Council, we're committed to making sure our city is not just diverse, but genuinely inclusive. A place where cultures aren't just tolerated, they're cherished, shared and proudly passed on. This is also reflective in our council, where we have not one but two African origin councillors. And you, the Oromo community, through organisations like the AOCB, you've held on to your traditions with dignity and generosity. You've shown what interculturalism really looks like. Not just coexisting but connecting, not just surviving but thriving together. Now fitting that today's celebration falls during Refugee Week 2025. This year's theme of finding freedom speaks so strongly to the Oromo story. One of strength through struggle and community through courage. Now, let's be honest, the journey hasn't been easy. Today may bring back memories of hardship, sacrifice and the pain of starting over. But it also reminds us of what we can build from those beginnings. A thriving, generous and resilient community that has shaped the Australia we know and love today. Your story is an Australian story, and your 40-year journey is not just one of arrival, but of contribution to our economy, to our democracy, our culture, and our common humanity. I hope today's celebration fills you with pride, connection, and a few opportunities, or at least the very least some delicious food and a couple of solid goals in the soccer matches. Thank you again for having me here, and to the entire Oromo community, congratulations on this incredible milestone. Galatoma.
Mr. Mayor, I would like to have you on the stage, please. We're going to be awarding,
If you want to know a little secret about the mayor of the city of Melbourne, does anybody know the store called Baharat Traders on Barclay Street in West Footscray? His parents actually own that place. So thank you very much, Councillor. Now we're going to hand out some awards. When I call your name, please come up onto the stage and accept your award. And these awards are being given for leaders of the Oromo community who have served from our beginning. So this is for the first arrivals, and this is for the previous leaders. Yes. So the first one, please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Abdul Salam Ali.
awarding kun akkuma beeytanitti warra hawaasa kana yeroo duraarraa geggeessee ilaa ammaan tanaan hungahe jechuudha. warra duraarraahi warra hawaasa Oromoo community kana qindeessarraahi sila isaan kananee gallanutis asin jirru beeka. Tanaafu please harka dawaa bakka gaariitti galatooma.
Maqaan isaanii yoo yaamu yoo hin jiraanne. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Sheikh Abdulrahab Tufa Yohan Abbatoltu.
Galatoma, arkadaaf.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Fakadu Dinakde.
Please harka khannaaf. Warra galata guddaa hawaasa biraa qabu obbo Fikadu.
Maybe he's going to move his car, so we'll call the next person. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Yusuf Gole.
Zero Gole.
Going to move their car as well. Can I have the next name, please? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Abdurazak Ibrahim.
Harka khannaaf, please. Galatoma. Sababni nuti hawaasni keenya irraa isin jiru sababa manguddoo teenyaa warra hawaasa kana qindeesseeti.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this person's here because a lot has been spoken about them. Please put your hands together for Saeed Don Bosco.
Oh.
Where's the Don? I don't think the Don's here. Anybody on his behalf that can take this award? Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Khadra Omar.
Akka dhageenyutti Kadra Umar warra asii guddatee irraahi. Kanaafuu please asii guddatanii as ga'anii hawaasa isaaniillee gaggeessaa turanii harka dhawaaf. Thank you. Galatooma Idris Galatooma.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Maimune Yusuf.
Oh, harka dhawaaf, harka dhawaaf. Abu Maimuna.
Yeah, sini. Dogor gore jira Maimune Sharif. Harka waan musibat dah please.
Ada rogolin devi eh? Ada rogolin ni jira? Okay, aye, anak. Abu Maimuna Yusuf.